Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SharePoint. First, you'll need to select a Microsoft 365 plan that includes SharePoint. Once you have your plan, navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From there, you can create your initial SharePoint site collection. Remember to carefully consider your organization's structure and collaboration needs when setting up your sites. This foundational step is crucial for effective team communication and document management. After accessing the Admin Center, you'll choose to create a new site. You'll have options like a team site for collaboration or a communication site for broader information sharing. Give your site a clear, descriptive name and a unique URL. Then, designate the site owner and add initial members. Finally, decide on the privacy settings, making it public for everyone or private for specific groups. This ensures the right people have access. Managing permissions is vital for security and control. SharePoint uses different permission levels, such as full control or read, to define what users can do. You can add individual users or entire Microsoft 365 groups to your site. Assign the appropriate permission level to each, ensuring they have the access they need without oversharing. It's a good practice to review these permissions periodically, especially when team roles evolve. Once your site is set up, it's time to customize it to fit your team's workflow. You can add various web parts to display content like documents, images, or news feeds. Personalize the site's appearance by changing themes and adding your organization's logo. Integrate other Microsoft 365 applications, such as Teams or Planner, for a seamless experience. Finally, create document libraries and lists to keep your content well-organized and easily accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.